This video is about fixing the last generation of Acura Integra up to year 2001, where the rear hatch is not able to open. So there was one video that I talk about the replacement of the model inside this latch assembly, but a few years later I have the problem again that sliding the switch is unable to open the hatch again, and this time the behavior is very different. Is that when I disconnect the wire and measure the positive, which is the yellow red color wire, and the negative, the black color, I do not get 12 volt when I slide the switch, whereas last time when I slide the switch on the rear hatch, I can see, or I can get 12 volts from these two lines when I measure across them, but this time I do not get any voltage. So originally I suspect it was due to the fuse, but then I found, I read the service manual, it found that the fuse that is actually shared with the door, power door lock and unlock, which for that for this car it does work. So so somebody mentioned that there is a fuse, I'm sorry, not the fuse, there is a relay that controlling, powering on these two wire. So the relay, actually I cannot find anybody mention the actual location of any pictures of the relay, even though they mentioned that somewhere behind the light assembly on the left side. So after I disconnect the panel, and right above the antenna model, then I found this relay, which the yellow red color wiring is the exact match on the wire to the to the power latch. So this is a small relay, 4-pin relay, where the orange and red white is the power line that turn on by the sliding switch on the rear door hatch, and then these two are going to the not these two, only one, the yellow one, the yellow and red, getting the power from the constant 12 volt, which is the white, what is it, white green. So this white green is a constant 12 volt, and so when I slide the switch, then this will energize, turn on, and then it will supply the 12 volt from the white cable to the yellow red cable, which then connects to the power latch model. So the problem with this one is just that, disconnect that, just this 4 metal contact, they are getting loose. So pretty much it's easy